Hello everyone, welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I'm just on a roll. I'm doing several videos, so you may see me in the same top, which I don't know why I'm explaining that or why any YouTuber explains that. But anyway, I'm on a roll. I'm doing several videos today, so I can knock some videos out the way. Today I'm doing the review on AtHomeWithNikki's NStyle Box. I've had this sitting up here for a couple of weeks now, and I'm just getting to it. So I'm gonna open it up. This NStyle Box is different from the other ones, and I'll explain more in depth with that. As you take the little cord off here, the box is magnetic now. It's not like the other box that we had, the gray bottom with the top. It's magnetic. Don't know if I like that or not. I like the other boxes, which brings me to this too. This is Nikki's last NStyle box of this type, and I'll go in depth with that more. I watched her video and yeah, I'll go into depth with that more after I show you what's inside here. So I'm going to turn the camera down to the box so you can see everything that I pull out of it. So stay tuned. Alright guys, the NStyle box. As I said before, it opens up from the front now, like so. And Nikki always places a card in there. It says NStyle Box. And it says, "Hello friends, I hope your year has started out beautifully. Many of us are wanting a fresh start at the beginning of a new year. This was my motivation behind this month's box. I wanted to give you a few fabulous items that combine beauty and function in a color that I find motivating and inspiring. This is a color that you have seen in many places in my life over the years. I want to encourage you to pull out that work bag and give it a refresh. Thanks for subscribing to the NStyle Box, friends. Hugs and love, Nikki." And then there's cards in this envelope here telling you what's about each product that's in the box here. A GoStack, a turquoise carafe, a turquoise scarf, a turquoise cord organizer, and capital T's. And she also inserted a how to tie a bow card, which I think is very, very nice. And lastly, this is something well needed as well, Nikki, a password organizer. How often do we forget our passwords to different things? I think this is something I really, really, really need. Okay, so now let's dig into the box here. And she has her NStyle Box label on here. Everything is wrapped in tissue paper, very nicely packaged, with the beautiful shred on the inside as well. And the first thing you come to is this beautiful, beautiful carafe. It is gorgeous. I'm loving this color. Now I'm a red girl, but I also love this teal or turquoise or You know, we call it several colors, but I love this color. And the next thing I came to is the tea. And it's a tea bag here. Very nice, where I can sit down and have a cup of tea. Either this evening or in the morning. Very nice. Now she inserted 2 of these, and I can really see myself using these with my earbuds. I have an iPhone, and my earbuds to my iPhone, that case is something else to deal with. So I can definitely see myself using these. I'm really gonna look up this company to see if I can get it in a black or red. Would love to get some of these in that color. Never seen these before. So yeah, I like this. And this is something I know I can use for my hubby. He's working part-time, and I know I can pack this in his lunch, this GoStack. These portable stackable containers. And she didn't get it in the teal color or the turquoise color, which I'm fine with. It's in black. I think the top of it, trying to pop it open without messing up the box here. The top of it is white, which I'm okay with, because it matches his lunch box, the black and white. His lunch box is black, white, and gray, so I'm fine with that. I can also see using this if you had little kids and put their little snacks in here. I can see that being used in that way also. But I like this. This is very nice. And lastly, she inserted a teal or turquoise scarf. Very, very pretty. This is a very nice color. Love it. It is very, very soft, very pretty. I'm holding it up to, against my skin. Looks good up against my skin. It's very nice quality. Yes guys, Nikki is changing the NStyle box. She's no longer doing it with the different products in there. She's switching to candles. As much as I love candles, I don't think that's for me. I can go in a store or Bath and Body Works and get my candles. Even though the last box that she sent, it had a fabulous smell to it. But I just feel that a candle subscription isn't for me. I really enjoy getting these type of boxes. It's like getting a mystery box, and it was a treat because you didn't know what you were getting, but you knew you were getting something nice because it was coming from Nikki. Nikki has great taste. She loves nice things, and you knew you were going to receive something very nice in this box here. But I'm wishing Nikki the best in this future endeavor with the candles. If you're interested in the candles, getting the candle subscription, please go over to AtHomeWithNikki. I'm sure she has a link on her channel where you can sign up to receive the subscription on the candles. Alright, so yeah, this is the last of this style or this type of box. And I'm gonna miss it. I really am. So that is pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to bring you Nikki's NStyle box. I hate to see that go. I really do. I really enjoyed receiving this box because she had some amazing things in this box. But I truly understand, Nikki. I really do. I really understand. Well guys, that is it for this video. If you've enjoyed it, please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, I would love for you to become a part of this family here by pushing that subscribe button and subscribing to the channel. I can be found on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Take care.